What are the best crypto gaming projects? Disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, if you love playing video games and you want to learn how to make money, crypto gaming projects might be the perfect opportunity for you. These projects let you earn digital money while playing, and some of them are growing fast, okay? Which could mean big rewards in the future, all right? One exciting project is called Decentraland, okay? It's a virtual world where players can buy land, build things, and even make money by selling what they create, okay? So you can basically explore new places, you can meet people, and earn crypto by being creative, okay? That's pretty cool, that's pretty nice, all right? So another cool project is called the Sandbox. I'm gonna put this in the description, okay? It's a huge playground where you can build games, you can own land, sell items for to other players. And if people like your creations, they might pay you in crypto. Okay. There's also Axie Infinity. It's a game where you collect cute creatures called Axies. You can battle them, breed them, sell them for crypto. The rare Axies are worth more money, and if you play well, you can make a lot more crypto. All right. These gaming projects are a fun way to help you learn about crypto, and as you play, you might even get, closer to earning more money. So, yeah, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and we get what we give, eh?